bubbles.
No, it's mommy's bubbles.
Nice pet bubble.
It's mommy's.
Nice palace.
It's mommy's.
Nice
It's
pet.
Hey, mommy. Well done.
Paris did it.
Well done. Hey, give mama thumbs up. Hey. Inamin niya kay Daddy Mike, guys, na may pagnanasa siya kay Daddy Mike. Kasi gusto niyang makipag-hook up kay Daddy Mike. Good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Saturday, everyone. It is now 2 o'clock ng hapon and nandito kami sa bed, guys, kasi si Daddy Mike ay nanonood ng kanyang NBA and ang ating baby girl ay naglalaro ng kanyang bubbles. What are you doing? Blow bubbles? Blow bubbles? Tingnan niyo ang kanyang suot, guys. Oh, ito yung binili natin sa Shein. Sobrang cute. Ang tingnan nyo ang ating buhok, guys, oh. Oh, diba? Straight na straight. Alam nyo kung sinong nag-straight nito, guys? Si Daddy Mike. Nandito ang aking hair straightener, guys, oh. Kasi habang nanonood siya ng kanyang NBA, pina-straight ko siya ng aking hair. Tingnan nyo, oh. Sobrang straight. Good job, Daddy Mike. Well done. Wala pala kaming plano today, guys. Kasi, tingnan nyo sa labas, oh, hindi siya sobrang sunny. In fact, hindi talaga lumabas si Mr. Sun today. Kaya, wala. Si Daddy Mike kaninang umaga, pumunta siya ng cafe. Alam niyo naman siya. Pumunta siya ng cafe, bumili siya ng kanyang coffee. But, Tires and I stayed at home. Nag-bath kaming dalawa early this morning. Kaya kami ganito. Fresh kami tingnan ngayon, di ba, guys? Kasi nakaligo kaming mag-ina. What did you do?
I'm putting the book.
What did you do? What did you do to the bubbles?
That's my bubble.
It's mommy's bubbles.
That's pet's bubble.
Hala, don't put that on your head. No.
That's my bubble.
No, it's mommy's bubbles.
That's pet's bubble.
It's mommy's.
That's palace.
It's mommy's.
Nice
It's
pet.
It's mommy's.
Eh.
Wow! Wow! Good job, my love. Aliw na aliw siya sa kanyang bubbles. Pero nabasa apil ang buhok. Wow! That's a lot of bubbles. Well done, my love. You're doing very well. Woohoo! How many bubbles na? Did you count? At ito pala yung natanggap natin na clip from AliExpress, guys. Oh. Diba? Mas maganda to siya kapag hindi ako naka-glasses kasi parang sobrang gold na sa mukha ko. May gold dito, may gold dito. Oh. Hindi siya masyadong bagay. Kaya lang, wala na akong contact lens. Ay, may contact lens ako, guys, pero yung colored ones, hindi yung clear. And yung colored kasi na contact lenses, mas makapal siya kaysa doon sa clear na contact lens. Kaya naiirita ng easily ang aking mata kapag yung colored yung sinusuot ko. Naubusan na kasi ako ng clear one, guys. May isi-share pala ako sa inyo, guys. So last night, may sinabi si Daddy Mike sa akin. Meron daw nag-message sa kanya sa Instagram niya. And oh my God, hindi kayo makapaniwala, guys. What is it, honey? You do it, because you're a big girl. Basa na po na ang imong sinina, nak. So, yun na nga, guys. So, may nag-message sa kanya sa Instagram niya. And then, hindi kayo makapaniwala, guys, kung ano yung message ng taong ito. Oh my Lord, I couldn't believe it nung sinabi sa akin ni Daddy Mike. So, itong lalaki na to, guys, ito pala yung may-ari ng cafe doon kung saan kami nakatira before. So, nung doon pa kami nakatira, guys, may cafe malapit sa amin. And you know Daddy Mike, he always goes to the cafe for his coffee in the morning. And Daddy Mike loves his walk talaga. So, pumupunta si Daddy Mike doon regularly. So, last night, sabi niya, nag-message daw sa kanya yung yung may-ari ng cafe na yun. Sabi, I found you sa sa Instagram, ganito, ganyan. And then, akala ni Daddy Mike na lang daw yung conversation, parang, friendly conversation, ganun. Pero, guys, si kuya pala ay bakla. And meron siyang crush kay Daddy Mike. So, parang, inamin niya kay Daddy Mike, guys, na may pagnanasa siya kay Daddy Mike. And, oh my God, it's, I couldn't believe it, guys. Anyways, he's very strong to be able to admit that to Daddy Mike, right? Even though sa online lang, sa chat lang. Akala niya na si Daddy Mike ay papatol sa kanya na kasi gusto niyang makipag-hook up kay Daddy Mike. Hala, tingnan niya. Huy! Nanalo yata ang kanyang manok. Daddy!
Yeah.
So how did you feel when you received that message?
I'm flattered. I don't care. It doesn't bother me.
When someone thinks that you are, handsome and you're good looking, diba? Nakaka-flatter naman talaga. Pero Daddy Mike said like, I'm sorry mate, I don't swing that way. Sabi ni Daddy Mike. I find it very, parang admiring kay Daddy Mike na very honest si Daddy Mike pagdating sa mga ganyan. Kung meron mang mga nagni-message sa kanya, palagi niya sinasabi sa akin, sinishare niya sa akin. And then, doon ko pa na-share kay Daddy Mike, guys, na meron ding nag-message sa akin yan last month. Pero hindi ko shinare kay Daddy Mike kasi ayaw kong maging big deal sa amin ba. Pero may sabi ko kay Daddy Mike na, actually, meron palang nag-message sa akin last month. Yung, puti din, guys, nag-message siya sa akin sa Facebook na, I'm gorgeous daw, ganun. Pero, yun na nga, hindi naman talaga katulad doon sa lalaki na nag-message kay Daddy Mike na, gusto niyang makipag-hook up kay Daddy Mike and kasi he thinks that Daddy Mike is good looking and ganyan. Daddy Mike! Bantay ka, ha?
Ha?
Bantay ka. Anak! Shh! What are you doing? What are you doing? Have a look at Paris.
What's your leg?
I can do baby. She thinks she can do everything. Come on.
Yeah, next one. Good girl.
Good job.
You did it.
Well done.
Paris did it.
Well done.
Hey!
Hey, give Mama thumbs up. Hey! Hold on.
Girl.
Look what
Careful.
you're doing, anak.
Go on. You can do it.
Woohoo! Big girl.
Good girl. Okay, get across.
Cross the bridge.
Across the bridge.
Can I show you something?
Yeah.
That's right, the boys.
I bet you could do that.
Good girl.
Can you do
Good
this?
job, Paris.
Do this.
Woo! It's so funny.
Look,
Good job, Paris.
I could not see. I need some help. My hand.
There's a big fishy.
The big blue whale.
Big fishy. You wanna go on a swing?
The
You
swing
wanna go on
is
a
free
swing?
now.
Alright.
Careful, anak.
You wanna go on the swing? Which one do you wanna go on? This one or this one?
Casket, baby.
Oh, okay. Push it up. Sit down.
No, Daddy, I like.
Okay.
Woo! Big girl. Swing, 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 swing.
Paris, push.
It's 3 o'clock na pala, guys. Lumabas si Haring Araw.
Do you want mommy and daddy to push Paris? Big?
No?
Huh? Pizza. Paris singing.
Parrots. The parrots out on the street. And the parrots out on the
Yay! Good job, Paris.
Chocolate ice cream. Okay, does Paris like a chocolate ice cream?
Can we? No, you have
Spot. Yeah, daddy go and show. Come on.
Guys, what's the
Hello, can I help you? What would you like, Paris? Okay. Here you go.
Oh, you have to pay na.
Give me money, Paris. Thank you. Thank you. Give me money. Eat your chocolate.
Yummy, yummy. Did you pay?
Yeah, Paris paid.
How much?
$5. Come get your chocolate.
Wait.
Can I have strawberry ice cream?
I'll have mango ice cream, please.
Thank you. Here's your money.
Give me the mango. Thank you, Paris.
Sit down, Mommy.
Oh, Mama will sit down. Whereabouts?
Here's your money. Here's your money. Thank you, Paris.
Yummy, yummy ice cream. Thank you.
Yes, sit down.
Oh, sit down. Okay, we'll sit down. We'll sit down here.
You want to go on the side? Daddy will help you. You go up, yeah.
Is Daddy helping you?
Push! Push! Oh! Push! Push!
Oh, there's a shark!
Push!
Shark. Mommy. That's a shark.
Where's the shark?
Go get the shot. Go get mommy. Go get mommy. Go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go. Go, go.
Slide! Ayaw, yung unang ulo. Not the head first, honey.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah!
Go. Mommy, ready?
It's now 4 o'clock ng hapon, guys, and
1 flower.
tapos na kami sa park. May namimitas ng bulak ako. Diba? Ang nagyang pangawat na.
Quickly get in the chair, Paris.
Come on.
The bee's gonna come. Come.
Yeah, there's a helicopter na. Oh, helicopter. Say bye, helicopter. Bye. Show mommy your flower, B. What's the color of your flower? You should put it in the ear. Do you want mama to help?
Hey, Mommy.
Like that. Wow. Beautiful girl.
Come on.
Come on, let's go. Ayun na baby Paris na umalis ng park, guys. But sabi ko, aalis na kami kasi maglalakad-lakad kami papuntang shops. Remember yesterday, pumunta kami ng grocery kami. Pero wala silang beef burns. Yun yung hinahanap ko, guys, kasi gusto kong magsabaw. And yung IGA, yung malapit dito sa amin na shops, meron sa kanila for sure. Kaya doon kami pupunta ngayon, guys. Maglalakad-lakad kami. Come on, my love. Hala, ni Hunong, maning batang gamay. Hindi pa pala to siya nag-nap, guys. Makakatulog na to siya ngayon. What's wrong? What's wrong with your flower? Don't stick it in your ear. By the way, guys, naiwala niya pala yung earring niya dyan, oh. Wala na, dalawa na wala. Naipasok na rin sa wakas. Oh, that's very sweet, Nak, the grapes. Do you like it? Mmm. So yum. Nawala na naman yung araw, guys. I think it's going to rain. Do you think it'll rain, Daddy?
No.
Hala ka. Pag mag-ulan, mabasa gitang tanan. Anak. Hello. She's drinking her water. By the way, yung suot ko pala na tapis yung binili natin from Shein. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. Oh? Flattering siya sa body. Ganda pa ng kulay. White. Sign of purity. Kami pupunta, guys. Which is Makipag yan. This is what I'm looking for. Oh, that's cheap. Guys, nagutom si ate niyo, oh. Bumili ako nito. Sushi bento box. Tingnan niyo. Yan. Sobrang gutom ko na, guys. Kain tayo muna. Again. Humpty Paris sat on the wall. Humpty Paris had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men. Catch doon niya si Lula, guys. Oh. Mommy will catch you. Ready?
My gosh.
Ready?
What's wrong with
Ready?
What's wrong with you going? Ready, steady, go! Catch Mama!
Yeah, catch Lola na. Can you catch Lola na? Run, Paris, run.
Go fast!
Paris is very fast. Woohoo! Paris is the winner!
Ready? Steady? Go!
Go! Go, Mama!
Paris is the winner! Woo! Good job, my love.
Linda!
Winner!
Ready? Steady?
Go! Come back!
Come back! Nagpakambak niya si Lola. Time check, guys. It's now 5:30 ng hapon and kakauwi lang namin. Si Baby Paris pala ay nakatulog sa pram. And mamaya na natin yan siya gigisingin kasi literally 5 minutes away from home nakatulog siya. Anyways, start na natin ang pagluluto, guys, kasi di ba nga beef bones, so matagal-tagal pa yan siya mag-soften. Hindi lang pala beef bones yung binili ko, guys, from IGA. Bumili na rin ako ng ibang mga karne katulad ng chicken frames. Ayan. So mahilig talaga si ate niyo sa mga soup, ganyan. Kasi ewan ko, feel ko lang nasa Pilipinas ako, guys, pag nag-soup ako. And especially pag beef bones and chicken, ganyan, tinola. Parang yung luto lang ng mama ko. And then, while we were there, guys, nakita ni Daddy Mike ito. At nakasale siya. It's only $3.32 for this. And this is the satay. And then I've got some, hala, nadagdag ang meat, guys. But. Hala, ayan. So, may pork tayo. Ilagay natin yan sa freezer. Kasi gusto ko rin gumawa ng menudo. Maybe sometime next week. We'll see. I've got some strawberries. And ito yung beef corns natin. Ayan. Dalawa pala yung kinuha namin kasi maliit lang siya. Ayan. Hindi yan kasya. So, dalawa. So guys, after 1 year, naluto din siya. Hala, sobrang late na ngayon guys. 8 o'clock na kami mag-dinner. Kasi hinintay ko talaga na mag-soften talaga yung ano, yung meat. What are you after, anak?
What's my blanket?
Your bandage? Maybe it's there. Maybe it's there. Where did you put the bandage?
It's mommy.
Find in the bedroom. Go. Maybe it's in the bedroom. Go. Ayan guys, naka-ready na. Nalagay na lahat sa bowl. Hala, ang dami pala. Sobrang init man guys. Anyways, I've got rice here now, of course. Isa kami ni Daddy Mike. And I've got this as well. Chips and some chicken for Paris. And then see if Paris will have some of this soup as well. Pero, sobrang init niya guys. Anyways, hindi siya masyadong appealing tingnan guys kasi nilagay ko lahat dito sa isang malaking bowl. Ayan. But, that's what it looks guys. Meron tayong corn and pichay with it. And oh my god, I'm so excited to have dinner guys. Gumawa na rin ako ng sausawan which is suka and toyo. And then, hala, sobrang sarap ito guys. Pakita ko sa inyo guys ha. Tingnan nyo guys. Ala, ang buto na meron pang mga unod-unod dyan. Ala, sobrang sarap nito guys. Oh, love it. Anyways, kakain lang muna kami guys and I'll see you again very soon. Josh, napoy ba kanta-kanta ang namunyag. Napigulang na kay kanak Finish na?
Yes.
The other one. How about that one there? The plant is saying, "Thank you, Paris, for watering me." Good girl, anak.
Okay, make first.
Ha?
Okay, make first.
Unsa daw?
Okay, make first.
Unsa daw?
Get first. Get first, mommy.
Sing the plant nap while watering nap, so they don't die. What can you sing for them?
I finished.
Oh, finished, is it?
You do that one.
Wow. You didn't sing for the plant nap. Can you sing a song for the plant? 5 little ducks.
Find the king on the day. For him and for away. Mine the no, hindi that.
Oh, so guys, it's now 9 o'clock and I ready na natin ang ating baby girl for bed. But before we will end our vlog, hindi natin makakalimutan ang ating positive quote of the day. And now it says, kita niyo ba guys? Ayan. I have as much brightness to offer the world as the next person. There you go. Maraming salamat guys sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating channel. As always, I appreciate you all and maraming salamat sa pag-subscribe na rin. And now, we will just do a quick shout out. And the first shout out goes to Jancy Pinay, Australia, Jocelyn Gascon, Joanne Owano, Lynn Ahmad, May-Ann Ferrer from Taiwan. Shout out to Arlene De Torres, Rick Skin Sincerity / Abby Essentials. Shout out to Asteria Mamaradlo, Mad Brat, Myra Beltran, Mercedita Oypala, Teresa Villar, Queen Joy Aman, Nancy Del Rosario, 4J Apolinario, Sly NV12, Chari Salazar, Myla Betasolo, Jing De Asis, Brenda Lia Bailon, Queen Survivor TV, Renar May Rica Huerta, Gemeline Tato, Joanne Ambe, Hilaska, Emily Timothy, Marivic Valcorza, Mary Grace Isler, Claudine's Kitchen, Claudine Reed, Maria Victoria Pangan, Elisa Samiliano, Apigo Sister, LV Real, Feli Ilamparo, Ala Maria's Vlog, Marini Zerk, Maria Zoila Llanos, Susing Salis, Cherry May Ongayo, Maria Fernandez, Riz Chano, and Teresita Abaluyan. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't...
Bye. I can drink juice.
Drink juice. Close na.